Reality check, man, from your device, you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, I have a clip here where I want to show you. Where some Chinese people there and build up auto mechanic shop. And we see a black guy, they promote them business. And theme line of argument, you know, is like him a show every Jamaican mechanic on that bus now. And even tradesman, just to promote the Chinese business. So we still have the field slave, you know, we still have the house slave. You know, just remember that, you know. When them catch we down in Africa, you know, and put up on the ship, you know, and sail us across the middle passage, you know. And a white man when run with down and rope way up, you know. Remember, say we same black man when run with down and rope way up and carry to the white man and him put up on the ship. So when we see a black guy in a Jamaica now, they advertise some Chinese business and they do everything to show the local Jamaican workers, the mechanic them under the bus. They say Jaja. Because what Jamaica fail to understand, our mechanic will not able to compete with these Chinese. Because these Chinese in Jamaica, they are not just there by themselves. Most of these Chinese sent by the Chinese government. Enough of them are prisoner. So when you take this to consideration, the money they want them a work, it now go spend back in a phone economy. 99.9% of the money there, they go back to China. Trust and believe, in the 21st century, we still have the house slave them. Anyway, I'm going to play that little clip here. And after I play this clip, we're going to dissect it. So listen what the brother here say. Take it away.
You see me? Some of the tradesmen are too dishonest. They're not top cut people out of honesty. You understand? They're not loyal to them people. They're wicked to them people, bro. And if you love on the people, them brother, and do good work for them.
Boy, if you're 2025 to 2026, be a Chinese friend, man. Be a Chinese friend, because guess what now? You have to learn from them, you know. Them very smart,
the Chinese
some smart people, them good part, anything with them.
Just like we went
watch them out, some builder them out.
So show the love to
work and they are work. Left China and come here from our work. Watch them. A three man. Look on it, look on the work. Look on the work. Yeah, big up China. Big up yourself, my boss. 3 man do all of that work. Look. Yeah, just look on the finished product. Just look on the finishing and tell me something if you treat them money. Look on the decking. It come like a sword and sway with iron. Not even shift in a shift.
That's what I talk about. You cuss out the Jamaican worker them and you throw them under the bus. Because you claim that they don't loyal to them workers. You didn't say some, you know. You cuss out the workers them, you throw them under a bus, and at the same time you praise the Chinese. And that's what I talk about. Well, at them here are the definition of house slave. Because them can't get a crumbs off of the table. Them sell out them one black man. But this is going to bring judgment on the land. Because the Chinese take time to take over the island more and more and more and more. You know, see the ludicrous, the right, yes, sir. You know, see the sentimental baboon. You know, see the bossy slave. You know, see the house slave. You throw your fellow man under the bus. But you embrace a Chinese who your fellow man can't compete with. Because the Chinese government give them that the money they set up that the station there in Jamaica. You don't think about that. Anyway, we're going to play a next clip of him. The endorse them business to the fullest. Take it away.
Yes, my peeps. I tell you now. I do a video about them Chinese people and boy, I tell you, Jamaicans them really flock to this. Because I tell you, every type of car you can take. Mr. Drive in I place this morning because I say alright, it's a BMW. It's a General ISIS. I'm not going to deal with some front end parts. You understand me I say? Yeah. If someone have a problem and be more drive and a wobble. You see me? So you see it, check them and check it. Diagnostic check-ins. You understand? Yeah, so you know say every aspect I work then deal with. This is a under CRV. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna do regular checks. Yeah, you see, open up some hole and do all of them checks. You understand? So you trying them and move a gang vehicle when time vehicle and then just gang and shell it and put it back together. Alright, watch out now. This is I'm a friend. Land Rover this. Yeah, my nice friend Land Rover. Yeah, she have some problem with our mechanic. You see me? And so she decides to carry go down. Yeah, but now talk to her still. You understand what I say? So she have some good comments towards it. You see me? Tell them man a gang vehicle man. Then gang vehicle man. So your vehicle come out in no time. Your vehicle not waste the time, bro. Your vehicle not waste the time because right as you know, a diagnose the problem to sort out the problem, is it? Anyway, it's them there. Every type of vehicle you can think of. As what I say, as long as you have wheel pan you can carry. Come on, wheelbarrow. I say all wheelbarrow them are people sort out. You see me? Somebody asked me if they about e-bike. Yeah man, them sort out your e-bike man. Come in man, look on the general car, in just come for a general servicing something and diagnostic. Yeah, same way so you go with general. Big up yourself, big up the Chinese them. Yeah, you understand? I tell you, it's a lovely morning this morning. Look here. Every man and busy. Every man and busy. Nobody have no time.
You know what I'm saying? At the end, big up the Chinese them. Big up the Chinese them what just start a business, you know. So them fresh. But the Jamaican them are dead a long time. You say them not loyal. But what Jamaica need to understand, a mechanic may charge a higher percentage in a Jamaica. So the Chinese charge 2,000 and them charge 2,500. You will take it to the Chinese because you want to save 500. You know, take it into consideration, you know, saying, say, you see that Jamaican mechanic there when him get the money, him go spend it with John Tam, him go and throw the partner, him go and buy some fish, him go and send him picnic, go to school. All the necessaries, what will come back into the Jamaican economy. When you go and you get the Chinese man, the 2,500, no, 99.9% of the 2,500 they go back to China. So that 2,500 there now spend in a Jamaica and it now circulate in our economy. So you see where you who they support him for your car for 500 less or 1,000 less. You don't know what happen. Your economy they get worse and worse. So you see every time you go a shop go buy, your things get dearer. Every time your light bill come, it get dearer. Every time your water rate come, it get dearer. Remember that. Because the money that what the Chinese them a make, it now circulate back in your economy. It gone to China. Because at the end of the day, you know, why the government never send some of them youth that then go train at China and build up some of them auto shop all over Jamaica. Run it by the government but employ the youth them and give Jamaican people a discount then. Why you never do that? No, you not do that. Why you carrying the Chinese? The regular mechanic, them can't compete with the Chinese. So the Chinese go take over the market. But 99% of the money go left back out of Jamaica and go back in a China economy. While for the economy still the right here, so and they suffer. They suffocate, they stifle. But you know, still willing to give the Chinaman a go ahead. Because the Chinaman, they charge little less. America we there, you know. And know where we go mechanic, not cheap. 90 and 100, 120 an hour for a mechanic. So now where you're going at this world, mechanic is cheap. All I'm saying to the Jamaican mechanic them, you don't have to be more consistent. You work on a man car and you tell him, say, listen me, 2 or 3 days, you know say that 2 or 3 days the in car ready. Don't take a man car and sit down on it. But put that aside. In Jamaica, when the fisherman come in, you know want ball down the fisherman fish. When the farmer in a market, they sell you know want ball down the farmer things. But when you go in a Mr. Chin supermarket, you pay for what you buy. And you come back out of Mr. Chin supermarket and you alright. When you come America and you buy on a plane fare, this is no problem. But anytime the locals them they sell something, the locals they must give £1 or give 3 or 4 or 5 on it. And that kind of mentality there. You understand? So I am not saying the mechanic them they overcharge and them not overcharge. Because to my understanding, you know, when a man work, a man supposed to get paid for what him value. Because when you're going at the doctor office, sometimes them just write something to you and you have to pay. You pay the doctor for him service and him skill. So why you don't want to pay the mechanic for him service and for them skill? We look on certain people a certain kind of way, or maybe through them look dirty and all of that. If you say, yo, him at 3,000 or 4,000, it not work that way there. So everybody they rejoice and everybody is in a jubilant mood and happy and excited about this Chinese auto place in Jamaica. But it going to hurt to know. It going to continue to hurt to know. Because every time you go a shop, things will get more expensive for you know. Alright, this is the thing there. Because that money is not spending back in the Jamaican economy. That money there they go back to China. You don't understand what I go on, man. Poor thing. Poor thing, you know. And now you can't wake up and smell the coffee. You are so excited. You know, coming like a some kid on Christmas. When them get them toy on Christmas Eve. Excited out of this world. I saw no behave down there. Like a some little pitney. Eh? Now take it to consideration, you know. Say, yo, this not good for Jamaica, you know. And this don't take away more jobs. You know, take away the youth, them jobs, the youth, them not have nothing. Gun go back in the street. Because when man hungry and can't find nothing for them, where you think them go look? Or where you think them go do? More car go thief, more this, more that. Because you know, I take away the youth, them job. Because them can't compete with the Chinese, them. And your government, who is there now for 9 going 10 years, never see it fit to send some of the youth, them go train them and open some of them art up mechanic places all over the island and place the youth them in them, run by the government. Give the citizens of Jamaica a discount rate and pay the youth them well. No, the government did not do that. It give the Chinese them license to come in, come do this, to compete with the Jamaican. You know, so it's a kill them, a kill you know. Mechanic, you know, so it's a kill them, a kill you know. Brother, you know better wake up and smell the coffee. Because you see, anyone who no vote out Andrew Holness this time, me I tell you, say, dog, why near no supper, you know, brother. Mechanic all over Jamaica. You know, look what go on, you know, wake up and smell the coffee. Brother, you know, can't compete with the Chinese, them. The Chinese, them sponsored by them government to come in at Jamaica and set up that. Some of them man, they were they working, they are prisoner them. Them now make no money. And the government of China, they make the whole of the money, brother. You know, wake up and smell the coffee. Don't buy in to the bossy slave, the house slave, what they name in crumbs off of them table. Don't buy into them, brother. You know, wise up. You see, you know, wise up and get it right this time. Me I tell you, no, a hell and powder house down in a that pound, you know. Dog nyam no supper, not even dog and a drunk or go nyam somehow, no. Because guess what? Hungry go and kill you down in a that. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow the movement over YouTube. You know, when we shooting our bullseye, you know, we don't deal with gossip. We don't do propaganda. We don't do fake news. We don't depend that, man. The message have to clear and clear like a crystal, you know. We are over here to educate and to uplift my people. Remove the mental slavery from out of the cranium and set them on a right path. Until then, you know, the signature word, it never change. What mean aromatic? Art of love. Until then, on the matic, we'll chat again. Peace and love. The man is out.